Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make email templates. First, clearly define the purpose of your email and who you are sending it to. This helps tailor your message effectively. Next, select a robust email service provider that offers template building tools. Finally, begin with a clean, responsive layout to ensure your template looks great on any device, from desktops to mobile phones. Once your layout is set, focus on the content. A compelling subject line, ideally under 50 characters, is crucial for open rates. Keep your language clear, concise, and maintain a friendly, conversational tone. Remember to include a strong, singular call to action. This guides your recipients on what to do next, whether it's to visit a page or make a purchase. Personalization significantly boosts engagement. Use merge tags to automatically insert recipient names or other relevant data. Before sending, rigorously test your template across different email clients and devices. This ensures consistent rendering. Always double-check for any broken links or image display problems to guarantee a smooth user experience for everyone receiving your message. To continuously improve, analyze your template's performance metrics, such as open and click-through rates. This data helps you refine future designs. Always maintain strong brand consistency by using your official logos and brand colors. This reinforces recognition. And speaking of reading, if you love to read anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.